Hello. Today we're going to make a Storyjumper book based on the shapes that we found as we explored our classroom and our school environment. So to get started, we're going to change the title of our book from My First Book to My Shape Book. And it was written by Room 188, since we're going to work on this all together. Now we can always change the font on this and make different sizes. So I'm going to change it now, so that way it matches throughout our book. And then I'm going to add a picture of shapes so we know this is what our book is about. Whoops, grabbed the wrong thing. Try again. There we go. I'm going to make it a little larger, so it has lots of shapes. We can also change the background color or design to different things. I like this one, so we're just going to leave it alone. And then we're going to decide which pages we're going to make next. So I put circle as the shape we're going to talk about first. And so what we're going to do is we're going to look at our word, and then we're going to add a shape that matches our word. So circle, this is the one we're going to talk about first. And some of you took pictures of different things around the classrooms that were circle shaped. So first we're going to add maybe our magnifying glass, since it has a circle lens, or our bubble popper fidget. That one's always fun. And you can add some other circles that we found around the classroom as well that you've got on your pictures. So the next one we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to add one. So you're going to go to text, and then you can add which text box you like. I'm going to use this big text box, and I'm going to type in rectangle. Now you can look at your shape cards that are on the table, and the teacher that's with you will help. As we know, some of you are just learning these words and how to spell them. And so I'm going to put it right here, and I think that I bolded the last one. There we go. Maybe a little bigger. And then I can come back into my photos, and I can choose which photos I've uploaded, and then they're going to become props. So that way I can add my shape. Sometimes we could also search photos to see which ones maybe that some other people have added. So we can maybe let's try a desk. Look, this desk is a rectangle. So I can add it, and then I can add it to my picture. Make it a little bigger. I'm also going to add our ant farm that we just finished up, since it's a rectangle. And then we can go on through with all the rest of the shapes. After we're all done, then you're going to make a page just about you. So we're going to do a big text, and we're going to write our first name. Again, you can change the font to whatever you'd like it to be. Oops. And then we're going to go to props, and we're going to do something called a design characters. And so then you're going to get to pick what you think you look like. And you can change your skin tone, your hair, your eyes, anything you like. And then when you're finished, you can add it. Then we can just add our little picture here. Make us bigger, because that's real little. And then you can also go in and maybe add what your favorite shape was that we found. And so I'm going to put the heart down. Some other things that we can do to make this more of a personalized page is we can go to scenes. And maybe you want to give a background to your picture. We can make different things like that, or we can search scenes and add special ones, or if we find a picture that we like that we've taken, we can add the background to that too. So we'll work on this in our small groups, and then we'll share it together and do a little tweaking on the smartboard before we complete our Storyjumper book. All right, thank you. I'm excited for this activity.